Chapter 1, which is your quadratic functions and equations in one variable. Bab 1, fungsi dan persamaan kuadratik dalam satu pemboleh ubah. So dalam chapter 1, in your chapter 1, you will learn about quadratic equations, persamaan kuadratik dengan pemfaktoran. I mean, for your information, this is not a new thing for you. Okay? Yang ni, kamu sudah belajar time you were in Form 1 until Form 3. So, honestly, tiada alasan bilang kau tidak pandai. Okay, the only alasan is kau tidak pay attention in the class sajalah. Okay, this is the one that I can say. So, the basic part which you learned before when you were in Form 1 until Form 3, which is the algebra, you have to expand. What do you mean by expand? Okay, kamu kena darab. Then you learn something like this as well. You have to darab inside. Then you learn something like this as well, which mean you have to. Kalau orang Sabah bilang kau ada dua pantat. Okay, so this is what we call as all this algebra, factorize, okay, pemfaktoran. So this one is not pemfaktoran actually. This is expanding. This is kamu kena darab each other. Pemfaktoran is where pemfaktoran is where you have to tukar. You have to change them. You have to factorize. Apa maksudnya pemfaktoran? Okay, I noticed that a lot of students, they don't understand what is factor. Okay, so factor, okay, kalau bahasa Melayu, faktor. So factor, you have to remember is your father and your mother. Okay, so faktor, you just anggap dia tu bapa kamu, mama kamu lah. So your father times your mother and you. Am I right? So your father times your mother is you. Okay? So your father and your mother is the factor. And you are the multiple. Okay? So you must remember your LCM, your LCM, and so on. The highest common factor, your HCF as well. So factor, so you have to find who is the father, who is the mother. I think this is the easy way to explain so you can understand what is factor. So right now, when you see your X, okay, kalau kamu nampak X, di atasnya ada kuasa 2 or power 2 or square. Okay, because sometimes they have 4. Okay, when you have 4, how do you say? Okay, so we just say power 4, power 5, okay? So this is when you learn your index. So X squared, this is the hint. Yang ni adalah tips. So contoh yang tu perempuan suka kamu, they already give you tips that she likes you. So you have to go ahead, okay? So they give you tips. So which mean your 4, you must think that apa number, okay, mesti mau sama, the same number times the same number become 4. Okay, mesti mau sama. So when they give you hints, this is 2, this is a square, this is 4, you must think of perfect square. Apa maksudnya perfect square? Okay, apa maksudnya perfect square? Perfect square is where 2 times 2 equals to 4, 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 4, 16, 5 times 5, 25, and so on. If you jumpa muka yang sama, if you see the numbers the same, all this is perfect square. Okay, kuasa 2 yang sempurna. So you have to think, when you see this kind of square, you must find kuasa 2 yang sempurna. So 4, what number mesti sama? Okay, mesti sama, like the cicak. You cannot even know which cicak is that, right? So you have to find the same number. So 4 is what? What number times the same number times the same number become 4? So the answer is 2. So you have 2. You have 2, 2. Then we ambil depan sahaja dan belakang. Depan dan belakang. So if you are dirty minded, then you know depan belakang. Okay? So this is orang Sabah lah, cara lah. Okay? So if you think this is a PG-18, I am so sorry. Okay, so you take the front and the back, so x squared plus 2 squared. Do you think this is correct? No, you have to open. Okay, you have to open your heart to the girl. Okay, so your x, you have 2. Your 2, you have 2. As you can see that everything is plus. Okay, apa yang kita nampak semua tu tambah. Maka we have to put tambah. Okay, is this the last answer? No. You have to write x plus 2 and then power 2. Kalau you already pandai, kalau kau sudah pandai here, you directly tulis this one also, okay, sudah tu. Okay, if you know the answer, if you see x squared plus 2x plus 4, you know it's x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared. If you know the answer is x squared plus 2 bracket power 2, then you directly write also can. If you want to write this kind of thing in your exam pun boleh, tidak masalah juga. Okay, so some student depends on you. Okay, because I have a lot of students from different school. Okay, so different school you have, you know, different teachers. So different teachers, they will ask you to do different steps or ways. Okay, some students, they have to write from the, you know, from 1 until 10, they have to write every steps. Okay, one of my, not only one, few of my students from this particle school, if they accidentally miss one steps, the teacher will ask them to redo not only one time, but 7 times, 10 times, and so on. So it depends on your school as well lah. Okay. So again, this is the basic that you learned when you were in Form 3. Okay, so then you don't have any excuses. Okay, jangan bilang kau tidak pandai. So if you follow this short tutorial, then I hope you can understand. Okay, so we back to your questions. So in your textbook, which is your page 21, you learn that x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, so this is from your textbook. The x squared minus 5x plus 6 is from your textbook. X squared plus 2x plus 4 is a question just now we discussed kan. So I want you to see the difference. Okay, so like I said, dia bagi hint sudah, they already give you hint. So therefore this one, which is you have to turn it into perfect square. So kalau mo nampak ada tips sudah, okay, yang tu amo itu suka kamu, then you go on, kau tukar lang jadi handsome boy, so it become 2 kuasa 2. Then your answer, kalau contoh lah kau pandai sudah lah, skip terus lah. So your answer is x plus 2 power 2. Okay, but this one will be slightly different. Okay, yang ni lain sikit. Why lain? Although this one sudah bagi tips, dia tu 2. Okay, kuasa 2. Tapi this one is not a perfect square. Yang ni bukan kuasa 2 yang sempurna. You see, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9. Di mana tu 6? Sana. Di ranau kan, dorang bilang. So you cannot see. Okay, you cannot find a perfect square. Kau tidak boleh cari nombor yang sama, darab nombor yang sama jadi 6. So what we need to do, you have to use this cross. Okay, kita perlu pakai yang ni cross. So x square plus 6. Yang plus tu, the plus you have to bawa. You have to write here. If not, you will lupa everything. And the minus number 3. Okay, so remember if you see this one, boleh tukar pergi kuasa 2 yang sempurna, you tukarlah. Tapi kalau kau nampak, if you see this one, you cannot change, then don't paksa. Okay, sometimes if you paksa in a relationship, it's not good also kan. So you pakailah yang cara yang lain lah. You know, jalan yang simpang-simpang ka. So your x, okay, x times x is x square. Okay, and then 6. Apa benda jadi 6? Okay, 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, actually, up to you lah. So, which one you want to use? Okay, so the tips, next one you have to tengok this one. Okay, so it's become negative 5. Okay, kalau you ambil yang ni, 1 tolak 6, okay, 1, kalau dah RM1 saja, you have RM1, kamu beli RM6 punya benda. Okay, you want to buy RM6 ice cream, okay? You only have RM1, how can you buy RM6 ice cream? So, you hutang RM5 kan? If you put here 1/6, okay, x times 6 is 6x, 1 times x is 1x, tolak kan? Then if tolak, this also tolak. Tapi mana ngam? 1, okay, 1 times negative 6 is negative 6, okay? 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. Tidak ngam, this one. Okay, salah itu. Tu amoy nak mau kau itu. So, we have to use this. 2 times 3 equals to 6. Okay, so we have to take 2 times 3 equals to 6. Okay, then again, okay, 2 times 3 equals to 6. 2 tambah 3, 5 kan? Okay, so, tapi over here is negative. Macam mana? Okay, mau berak sudah. So, your negative, this one, what should you do? Okay, so which mean, these two, you have to make sure dorang tu negative. Negative, negative, positive. Negative, negative, positive. So, x darab negatif 2 adalah negatif 2x. X darab negatif 3 adalah negatif 3x. Okay? So, negative 2x, negative 3x. You hutang me RM2. Okay, you must remember. Okay, I realize that most of the student lah. Maybe I like to, most of my students, saya suka yang student yang matematik dia tu kan teruk gitu. Ada student matematik dorang kan kosong time dorang ikut tuition. Matematik dorang kan result 0, 1, 2, ada lagi 1, 0.5 dia punya result. But for your information, SPM dia dapat B. Okay, and dia baru start, this year SPM, this year dia cari saya. Okay, so after that, he able to understand all this thing. Okay, first is very hard for him to understand all this. Okay, so you anggaplah negatif 2. Negatif 2 kau anggap kau hutang orang. Saya hutang cikgu RM2, saya hutang lagi RM3. Berapa lah kau hutang saya? RM5. Okay ba? Nanti kau bayar saya RM5 So you just remember, when you see negative 2, you just, pretend as if you owe someone money. Okay, kau anggaplah kau hutang orang. Kau hutang negatif 2, hutang lagi negatif 3, hutang RM5. Okay, lepas tu kau catat dalam buku 99 lah. Okay, so lepas tu dapat cari jawapan kan? Okay, kau hutang RM2, hutang RM3, hutang RM5. So everything is correct. Okay, lepas tu what should we do? We have to pick girlfriend lah. Okay, so x minus 2. Okay, the minus you must ambil lah. Okay, so x minus 3. Lepas tu equals to 0. Ay, di mana tu kosong tu? Because in your quadratic, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So, yang 0 tu jangan kau lupa. Okay? So, lepas tu what should we do? We do one by one. X minus 2 equals to 0. Lepas tu, yang negative 2, kau pindah sebelah. The negative 2, you move to the left, to the opposite side. So, kalau kau pandai sudah, kau tulis 2 lah. Kalau kau tidak sure lagi, slowly lah. Okay, kosong, negative, or tolak, tukar jadi tambah. Okay, so tolak jadi tambah. Okay, dan 2. So jawapan kamu adalah X sama dengan 2. Belum lagi habis ah. Okay, macam in your life kau cari girlfriend kan, kau sudah cari girlfriend lepas tu kahwin kan. So this is kau cari girlfriend sudah, lepas tu kau kahwin lah sini. So you have to do 2 kali lah. Okay, so again X kosong 1 by 1. Yang ni tolak bawa pergi sebelah jadi tambah, diterbalik sudah. 3 lepas tu jadi 3. Okay, so kosong tambah 3, 3 lah. So this is your jawapan. Kita siap sudah yang this one. Okay, actually it's not really that hard. Just only kalau kamu kena tahu yang cara-cara dia. So you can see that kalau yang dia punya depan sama belakang, yang belakang ni boleh jadi perfect square. Maksudnya kamu direct terus pakai yang cara begini. Kalau kamu nampak yang ni tidak dapat, yang tu girl tu kamu suka tu, dia tu jual mahal, terpaksalah you have to jalan panjang sikit. Okay, barulah orang pandai kahwin sama kau kan. So you have to use this way to find your answer. So when you find your answer, you must make sure kau bawa tu negatif juga. Kalau dia positif, positif. Kalau negatif, negatif ah. You bawa sudah dia, lepas tu kau buat this. Okay, what is this for? Kan kamu buat graph, when you do graph, you have to find the straight line kan, garis lurus. So inilah kita perlu cari. Okay, boleh? So next question. So next, x square plus 7 over 2x equals to 2. Okay, x square, okay, x kuasa 2 tambah 7 per 2, x sama dengan 2. Okay, so the first step, yang 2 ni mesti pindah sebelah. Okay, mesti remember, you must remember yang ni forever 0. Okay, so yang 2 ni kan, dia tidak tulis yang dia negatif 2 ke apa kan. Kalau dia tidak tulis negatif, dia tu positif. Kalau positif bawa pergi sebelah, dia tu jadi negatif 2. Lepas tu x 7 over 2. Okay, salin saja. Okay, so after that, what should we do? Okay, yang ni macam mana ni? Okay, the tips we have to do is we must make sure that everyone is the same. Apa maksudnya everyone the same? Kalau ni pecahan, this is a fraction, right? Pecahan. Kita kena make sure everyone pun pecahan. Okay, kalau kamu nampak this one, dia di bawahnya ialah 1. This is 1. Kamu tidak nampak sejak kan? Sebab takkanlah kau tulis barang pun, kalau contoh kau pergi beli 4D semua tu. Contoh kau beli 4D 4388, takkan kau tulis begini kan? Am I right? So you just tulis like this kan? Same thing lah kan? So this is also the same thing. But then kalau you want to change them to pecahan, you want to change them to fraction, you have to times 2, atas pun times 2. Okay, kalau if you follow Chinese school, the sekolah kebangsaan Cina, they will tell you that this is the mother, this is the kid, okay, or the baby lah. Okay, yang ni mami, yang ni anak. Mami makan apa, anak pun mau makan apa. Okay, example when you're pregnant, okay, you makan apa, anak pun makan apa. So this is how they understand all this method. Okay, so if you follow my class, yeah, I will be super long-winded lah. But at least you understand. Imagine student yang dapat kosong, markah pun boleh dapat B, apalagi kamu kan. So again, when bawah times 2, atas 2x, okay, sudah times masuk ah. Lepas tu 7, 2x minus 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, lepas tu, the next thing we should do is, okay, the next thing we do is, yang bawah ni kita ignore. Kita jangan tulis lagi. Kita tulis yang nombor biasa. Okay. So again, okay, time kita tengok, okay, yang ni lain lagi cerita. Walaupun this one ada x square, even though this one, okay, this one is definitely different than the one that I show you just now, the one that I write 2x plus 4. Okay, this one totally different. Even though ada 4, ada square, they have square, tapi this one ada 2. Means you say that the whole formula will be different sudah. Lain sudah. So, macam mana lain? Lain dia macam mana? You use this one. The cross, okay? Kita pakai yang ni lah. So again, must remember 2x square, ada yang square ni paling depan. Lepas tu yang tiada x tu di tengah. Lepas tu yang ada x tu di belakang. Okay, lepas tu 2. 1 darab 2. Okay, so 1x darab 2x adalah 2x square. Okay. Negatif 4. Tidak sure negatif 4 tu macam mana kita mau buat. Sebab 2 darab 2 adalah 4. 1 darab 4 adalah 4. Okay, kita try dulu ah. Okay, we try 2, 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4x. 1x times 2, 2x. Oh, yang ni tidak ngam sudah. WHY 4 tambah 2. Okay, 4 tambah 2, 6. 4 tolak 2, 2. Yang ni 7 ini kawan. So, bukanlah jawapan. Okay, so you have to put 1 over 4. Okay, 1 over 4. So, 1 over 4, 1x times 4x, 2x times 2x. Sama juga kan? Kita baliklah this. Okay, just now I put 1 over 1 4 kan. Kita balik saja. Jangan takut. Okay. So, 2x times 4 equals to 8x. 1x times 1, 1x. Boleh ya? Okay. Kalau terlalu laju, you guys just, you can comment in the video or you can WhatsApp me. You can, yeah. So anything will do, okay? Or you can, I think the best thing is you just comment in the YouTube comments. Then we will check for you. So 1x darab 1, 1x. So next thing we have to see is your negative. Kamu ada negative. So if you put here, atas, 2x darab negatif 4 jadi ni kan. Kamu hutang cikgu RM8, kamu bayar RM1. Kan ni positif. Kamu masih hutang RM7, tapi masalah dia this is positive. So, this is not the answer. So, you have to put second one. 4 darab negatif 1 adalah negatif 4. So, negatif 1 darab negatif 1 adalah negatif 1. So, you ada RM8. Mau beli es krim RM1. So, kamu tinggal RM7. Maksudnya yang ni adalah jawapan. Then, again, what should we do? Kita ambil yang ni lah. Okay. So, 1x. Yang ni mau letak apa? Kosong ni tidak nampak. Ada, kalau tidak nampak saja. Yang ni tambah ini positif. Kalau you don't see any negative, kamu tidak nampak negatif, that is positive. Kalau kamu tidak nampak apa-apa kan, dia tu positif. Okay? Maksudnya kamu buta lah kan. So, kalau ada negatif, then you tulis negatif lah. Is very easy. Okay, if you see this one now, 1x. Some student tanya cikgu, teacher, can I put x only? Yeah, sure, no problem. You put 1x ka, x ka, pun betul. Tidak ada masalah. Okay, so again, 1 by 1, 1x plus 4 equals to 0. 1x, 4 yang plus become negative 4. So, 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Okay, kamu kosong, tiada duit. Kamu tiada duit, mau beli RM4. Kamu kurang berapa? RM4 lah, kurang. Okay, so 1 darab negatif 4, negatif 4. So, x minus 4. Then next one, kita sudah buat yang ni kan. Next one again, 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, 2x negatif, pindah sebelah jadi positif 1 X. Lepas tu 0 tambah 1 1 X. Yang ni 2 kan. Kalau kamu nampak yang 2 melekat with the subject, this is what we call a subject. Kalau kamu pindah pergi sebelah, dia akan jadi bahagi. Okay. So your answer is X negative 4 X equals to 1/2. Okay, next one. Most of my students, when they jumpa this question, when they see this question, dorang takut terus teriak. Yang lelaki tu teriak pun jadi perempuan saja. So, what we need to do is tidak payah takut. You pindah saja. Yang ni pindah pergi sini. Yang sini. Yang 2 ni pindah pergi sini. Okay, maksudnya you guys sharing lah. Sharing is caring lah. So, your X, okay, you have to times negative 4. Okay, X kamu kena darab negatif, X kena darab X tolak 4. Okay, kenapa darab? Bukan bahagi. Sebab kalau bahagi bawa pergi sebelah dia jadi apa? Darab lah. Okay, yang this one is bahagi, right? This one is divided. So divided, when you move to another side, it become times. Then again, your 2, okay, darab. Okay, if you don't want like that, you want 5X, you want kasih cantik-cantik 24, darab 2, pun boleh lah, suka hati sajalah. Yang penting betul. So again, X darab X, X square, X darab negative 4. Must remember negative, You tidak nampak apa-apa kan sini, this is positive. Positive, negative, negative. 4X. Then again, 2. 2 times 5, 10. Positive, negative, negative. 2 times 24, 48. And then, we pindah pergi sebelah. Okay, so it become X square minus 4X. Salin saja because dia di sebelah kan. Then this one bawa pergi here. So you cannot see any symbol. If you cannot see any symbol, this is plus. When it's plus, yang ni kalau dia tambah, bawa pergi sebelah, dia jadi tolak. It become minus. Minus 10. Negative, okay, or minus, okay, yang ni tolak. Kalau tolak bawa pergi sebelah, dia jadi tambah. 48. Sama dengan kosong. Okay, because you bring everything kan. That's why sini tukar jadi kosong sudah. So, again, you see this one. X and X kan. Yang ni square ni satu orang saja. Okay, so negative 4X tolak 10. Kamu hutang cikgu RM4, hutang lagi RM10. Kamu hutang cikgu RM14. Bila nak bayar? Okay. So, again, kalau sampai sini sudah, what should we do? Okay, so again, kalau kamu nampak this one, even though the tip is kuasa 2, but dia ada benda yang sama boleh jadi 48. Okay, there's no perfect square that you can find is 48. Why do I say so? Okay, kita ambil 36 dulu. 6 darab 6, 36. 7 darab 7, 49. So, you cannot find 48. So, you cannot find kan? Kalau tidak boleh cari, so what should you do? You use this formula. Asal kau tidak jumpa, kau pakai formula this one. Okay, janganlah malu. Okay, 14x. So, x times x is x square. 48. Apa benda boleh jadi 48? 6 darab 8, 48. Okay, lepas tu kau tengok yang ni. 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, we ambil this, we use this on the spot. Okay, so 6, 8. So 8, x times 8 is 8x. X times 6 is 6x. Okay, look at this question. Ada minus. Kalau minus, maksudnya negatif 6 tolak 8. negative 14. Okay, so maksudnya ni 2 ni kamu kena minus. Why minus? Kenapa mau tulis negatif? Negative, positive. That's why you have to put negative lah. So, x times negative 8 is negative 8x. X times negative 6, negative 6x. So, you hutang cikgu RM6, hutang lagi 18, hutang 14. So, kita dapat cari jawapan sudah. So, x minus 6, x minus 5 pula 8 equals to 0. Okay, so yang x minus 6 equals to 0. X kosong tolak pindah sebelah jadi tambah 6, maka your x is 6. X tolak 8 sama dengan kosong. X kosong tolak tukar pindah pergi sebelah, tukar jadi tambah. Lepas tu 8 x equals to 8. Senang kan? Senang. Okay, so the last one, we do your y plus 2. Y plus 1 equals to 2y plus 11. Okay, so kalau jumpa soalan begini, tidak payah takut. You darab dulu. Okay, kau darab dulu. So, the first thing you have to do, you times in. Okay, yang ni kau form 1 until form 3, kamu belajar sudah. You just times in sajalah. So, y times y square. Okay, 2y kan. Y darab y kuasa 2. 1 by 1 lah. Jangan terlalu mau kelam gabut. Okay, kelam kabut. Okay, you don't have to be so rush. Satu-satu saja batu kamu try ya. So y times 1, y darab 1, kamu tulis 1y ataupun y pun boleh. It's up to you. 2 times y, 2y. 2 times 2, 2 times 1, 2. Okay, 2 times y, 2y. 2 times 11, 22. Okay, then you pindah pergi sebelah. So, we salin here. This is 1y, 2y plus 2. Okay, you cannot see anything, right? Again, okay, I have to remind you all the time so you can remember, okay? So, plus, bawa pergi sebelah, tolak 2y. Yang ni tambah, bawa pergi sebelah, tolak 22. Jadi kosong. Okay, so you just rearrange. Yang ni y square, satu orang saja. 1y tambah 2y tolak 2y. Lepas tu tambah 2y tolak 22, kosong. Okay. So, y kuasa 2, the y square only 1. Okay. 1y tambah 2y, 3y. 3y tolak 2y sama dengan 1y juga. Yang ni no more already lah. 2. Okay, kamu ada RM2. Mau beli 22 ringgit punya benda. So, you kurang 20. So, tolak 20. Okay. So, again, y tips dia kuasa 2. But, you have to think, apa nombor yang sama darab each other boleh jadi 20? Tiada. They don't have this kind of number. Why do I say so? Because 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. Di mana ada 20? Tak ada. They don't have. So what we do is, you have to use the cross, which is y square tolak 20 tambah 1y. Okay, or tambah y lah. It's up to you lah. So, y times y is y square. Okay, 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Lepas tu, you see this one 1. 4 tolak 5 tolak 4 is 1. Okay, so since 5 tolak 4 is 1, then we put 5, 4. Y times 5 is 5y. 4 times 4, y times 4 is 4y. Okay, lepas tu you see this is negative. just now we said that 5 minus 4 kan, so this is minus. If this is minus, this is also minus. So we sudah dapat cari jawapan lah. So y, this is what? You cannot see the symbol, right? So this is plus. And then y minus 4 equals to 0. So y plus 5 equals to 0. Y, okay, if you want to skip like 0 minus 5, okay, you can terus tulis negative 5 lah. Okay, then y minus 4 equals to 0. So y, your minus bawa pergi sebelah, jadi plus, so plus 4. Y plus equals to 4. So this is very easy. This is your, your cara to kira all this quadratic dengan pemfaktoran. Okay, so what you need to do is you must remember the tips. If you cannot see, kau tidak dapat cari the perfect square, okay, kuasa 2 yang sempurna, you have to use this. Kuasa sempurna is where this one is 2 times 2, perfect square. Kalau tidak dapat jadi 2 times 2, you cannot find sempurna, kuasa 2 yang sempurna, you use this. Okay, so I hope you can understand all this and you can improve your maths. Okay, good luck.